This week's 2-minute tech tip is on Flipgrid, new grids and new topics. So when you are in your Flipgrid, if you click on the new grid button, you can create a new grid. Now it's going to ask you what community type. You can make it public so that anyone can see it, or you can lock it down so that just people within Fayette County or with Fayette County email addresses can see it. I'm going to name this one library, and you can change this. So if I wanted to name this PLD library, I could see if that was available, and I can go down here and choose the picture. I like this little cat. I'm going to choose him, and now this is where I put in the domain. So I'm going to put at fayette.kyschools.us, and but then I realized, oh wait, my students are at STU. I can change that coming up. So I'm going to go in and customize my grid. Here are the grid details. And this is where I'm going to go add the STU at stu.fayette.kyschools.us and enter. So both of those are on there now. Those are the only people who will be able to go in. Now I can look at these features as well. Do I want it to notify me when somebody has uploaded something? Do I want to put captions and all of that? You can change this state from active to hidden very easily later on, and you can change the picture. I'm just going to say update grid. So this is my new grid, and here's how I can share it. This is the code, and I can add other teachers to my grid. And now it automatically comes with these new topics, and if I don't want introductions to be to show for students, I can hide that. I can put in my new topic that is going to be exit slip, and then I can change the response time that I want to allow for students. Maybe I just want them to have 30 seconds, and I want to put in here, what did you learn today? Even with misspelling. And then I can go down here and I can turn on video moderation. That's going to tell me that I need to look at it before I approve it. And then just say create. You could add, and I didn't show you that down here, you could add the resources to it if you want, topic resources, and when you're ready to share that with your students, you just click on any of those share buttons and copy this and give it to them, or flash that QR code up there for students to see. And you can, when you go back up to your grid, we'll see when you see all of your grids, you'll see this new one, and again you can go in, you can add more topics to it, and you can share here as well. All kinds of new fun things to do, and we'll talk more about Flipgrid later.